What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Beats Solo 4 headphones to your device. Now, before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. To put your Beats Solo 4s in pairing mode, you're going to find the power on and off button right here on your right ear cup, and you're going to press and hold for about 5 to 10 seconds until this LED light on the left ear cup begins flashing white. Again, this should only take a few seconds. Once it is flashing, you're ready to pair it with the device you're trying to pair it with. Just simply go in your device's Bluetooth settings and select the Beats Solo 4s, and you'll be all ready to go. So this was my video on how to pair your Beats Solo 4 headphones. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.